It moves is through that thing, and that's how it actually, like, that's a real train that they move logs with.
Actually?
Yeah, it's called the shay. It's a 2-truck shay. So, like, it's to move, like, logs up the mountains in Colorado and shit. But that's my favorite train of all time. I'm actually looking for that exact train in a certain gauge today.
The attention to detail here is just like absolutely nuts.
Fucking nuts, bitch, dude. Yes, you can get some of that, dude. That's like a Lionel gauge.
Have
like,
one of those.
Yeah. Yo, dude, you want to come over and like ride my train? Wink. Shit process. That's gnarly. That one was good. That was crazy. That was cool.
The sausage man posted me on a story.
Eating a doggy?
No, it was just a mustard dog.
Mustard dog?
Yeah, because hot dogs are best with just mustard. Maybe relish.
Relish is fair. I like onion sometimes.
Onions fucking slap. I think chili on dogs is also fucking.
Meat sauce, the garbage plate meat sauce.
That or chili, either or.
Okay. They don't do 100 soft packs, so. Dude, Black River created fucking Nico Frank is a Black River IP so that they could sell Black River products because he's too good at fingerboarding.
Facts.
Yeah, and
JFK.
it goes JFK, Nico Frank, Walt Disney, Market, Joy Cult, like that was the marketing Joy Cult. Oh, nice. Damn. Oh, it's in. Yeah, it's. And you can like hook up.